Hello everyone, this is Shivam Kumar Chaurashya from TCET Shastra Coding Club. Let's check the first question of the TCET Shastra Coding Club Challenge 4A. Uh, the question states that as Shivam is given two numbers L and R, that is starting numbers and ending numbers of a range. He need to decide whether the range is happy or not. A range is said to be happy if in a range there is a number which is a prime number and is divisible by 2. And if it is happy, then we print yes or else no. Okay. So basically, first of all, as we all know, what's the term prime number is? Prime number is basically means a number which is only divisible by itself. Okay. And there is again two conditions given. First is prime number, it should be prime number, and second is it should be divisible by 2. So if you just make a detailed observation, you will know that here there is only one prime number which is divisible by 2 and it is a prime number, that is 2, because we can see here a prime number is a number which is only divisible by 2 by itself. So henceforth we can conclude that the in whole number system tell range 1000, or in whole number system there is only one number that is a prime number and divisible by 2, that is 2. So we got one hint. So one thing we can do is from L to R, we'll run a for loop, and if in this range there is L, there is 2, so we'll print yes, or else we'll print no. This is one what we say algorithm which will take O of n. Okay. But what if I say that we can solve this question in O of 1? As sometimes we should also check the constants of the questions. There are some hints hidden in it. So here, after seeing the constant, we'll know that L will be always lesser than R, lesser than equal to R, and the lowest number will get us 2. And this is the number that we are searching for. So why don't we do this only if L is equals to 2, then print yes, else we'll print no. So we can solve this question by just O of 1. So yep, this was the solution of this question. Let's implement it. It was quite basic math question. Dot H, and then yep, well, can put the test cases, and then while T minus minus, and we'll create two variables and L, will take inputs, and if L is equals to 2, we'll simply see out. Yes, as it is case sensitive, it's yes is or caps else will print no. That was the code. Let's check for the sample test case. It's running and we'll submit it. Okay, so this solution is accepted. So as we all know that we have solved this question by work one only, that is constant type. So yeah, that was the solution for this question. Thank you.